How to fix this reel is unavailable on Instagram problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Search Instagram. And if there is update available, make sure you update your Instagram to the latest version. After that, open Chrome and search Instagram. Click on Instagram. Log into your account using your username and password. After you've logged in, you can simply click on the message icon and you will be able to view the reel from the browser. And this is how to fix this reel is unavailable on Instagram problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.